Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about exceptions in the properties of metals and nonmetals. In the last class, we discussed about physical properties and chemical properties of metals and nonmetals. As we know, metals are in solid state in the room temperature, but being a metal, mercury is in liquid form in the room temperature. So that is the exception case 1. And also we know that metals are lustrous and non-metals are non-lustrous. But exceptions is iodine and graphite. Iodine and graphite is having shining property, that is lustrous property. And next one is the malleability feature. That is, non-metals are not malleable, but being a non-metal, carbon fiber can malleable. It has the malleable feature. And in the ductile property also, it has the ductile property also. Actually, metals are having ductile properties, but being a non-metal, carbon fibers are ductile. We can make thin wires with them. Next one is metals are hard except sodium and potassium. We can cut with these metals with knife. And diamond, which is a form of carbon, which is a non-metal, is the hardest substance in the nature. And graphite is a good conductor of electricity. As you know, graphite is a form of carbon which is a non-metal. Actually, non-metals are bad conductors of electricity. And here, metals like mercury and lead are bad conductors of electricity. Actually, metals are good conductors of electricity. And metals generally sink in water due to high density. Exceptions are lithium and sodium and potassium. The density of these elements is lower than that of water, hence they do not sink. Now uses of metals and non-metals. Aluminium metal in the form of alloy is used to make aeroplane. Copper metal is used to make electric wires, electric motors, utensils, etc. Silver and gold is used in making jewelry. Zinc metal is used in galvanizing process so as to prevent it from rusting. Non-metals, sulfur is used in the vulcanization process of rubber, and chlorine is used in water purification process. And also non-metals, nitrogen is used in manufacturing fertilizers which enhances the growth of plant, and oxygen is used by plants and animals.